I didn't know
Where to start? But I had
to know more. I typed the words
that kept
me awake. I just
wanted an answer.
anything to make sense of it. Sometimes what I found felt right. Sometimes it felt too good to
To
be
be true. That time, it was just what I was looking for.
Their posts gave me hope, something to hold on to, something to question.
Something to start a conversation. So I searched again, not really to learn, but to confirm. To find the facts that fit.
The stories I wanted to believe. The more I searched, the more I found.
The more I posted, the more it spread.
Each answer led to another question.
Each post led to another. Until
It felt like there was no going back.
Like, comment. I was just following it, or maybe feeding it. Every choice, every click comes with a cost.